Okay, so in the box it says supposed to have like these brushes that we have, but we don't have all the brushes. Some of them were, yeah, ¿dónde está? Oh. Okay, so like this isn't the one that we wanted. Because last time when we bought last time when we bought the same vacuum cleaner, it didn't have this. So, yeah, this is a problem. So we were wondering if we could get like the brush that's in the box, because it's nowhere in the box. Yeah, it's not here. So, yeah, I don't think it has all the brushes. Yeah.
Well, the sides well on floors, but as soon as they go onto my thin carpet, this is on the lowest setting. I can't push this. It just sucks up my rug. So even after that, even on carpet setting, even worse. But the floor setting is okay. The nozzle's a little funky. It doesn't get under some areas. I don't know. It's made well, but I don't really like it. It's starting to overheat. Look. I changed everything. This is clean.